The 2025 Polestar 3 is a stylish SUV that comes with the required high-riding seating position and is part of the growing wave of electric SUVs hitting the market. To date, Polestar 2, the spin-off EV brand of Volvo, has only produced cars, though it could be interpreted as a low-riding SUV or a tall car. When the 3, which will go on sale sometime in the second half of 2024, there won't be any confusion of this kind. We'll admit that its angular wheel arches, noticeable fenders, and sleek roofline have us completely enamored. With a sophisticated layout and premium materials, the SUV's interior also exudes wealth. The base 483 horsepower all-wheel drive model has more than enough power, and there's a rear-wheel drive model that will join the party later. The optional performance trim increases power to 510 horsepower and adds summer tires, unique 22-inch wheels, and a modified suspension system for thrill seekers. The standard model's driving range is a respectable 315 miles per charge, while the performance model's is 279 miles. Both models can be swiftly charged using a DC fast charging connection. It also has a number of active safety features, and Polestar plans to upgrade it in the future with Volvo's lidar technology, which should eventually allow for full self-driving capabilities. Additionally, the company is developing the Polestar 4, a fastback-bodied variant of the 3, as a second SUV. Range, charging, and battery life. The identical 107.0 kWh battery pack, which can be charged at up to 250 kilowatts using a DC fast charging connection, is included with all models. According to Polestar, that will charge the battery from 10 to 80% in as little as 30 minutes. The long-range dual-motor model claims to go up to 315 miles on a single charge before requiring refueling. The estimated range of the more potent performance model is marginally less at 279 miles. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Polestar has loaded up its debut SUV model with opulent and practical features. Every model has a panoramic sunroof with the Polestar logo illuminated on it. Along with power front seats with heating, a 3-zone automated climate control system, and an onboard air purifier, standard features also include a power rear liftgate. Clean and contemporary, the interior design makes use of premium materials that, according to Polestar, are also sustainable and kind to the environment. Cozy extras like soft closed doors and a power-adjustable, heated steering wheel are included with the optional Plus package. There's less room for cargo than in some other SUVs of a similar size, and the Polestar 3's front trunk, also called the frunk, is a meager 1 cubic foot cubby that's only useful for holding the SUV's travel charging cables.